Oh, y'all, Keith's garage. Uh-oh. There's that stuff again. That's such that dandruff that falls out of the sky. Uh-oh. Somebody needs to change their shampoo. What's up, Holmes? Yeah, it's doing that. It's just a dandruff. Oof. Anyway, good morning, y'all. Keith's garage. We, doing something this morning. But then again, when aren't we doing something, huh? I need to fire this thing up. I ain't fired this thing up in like mad long. I guess I'll do a super cold start with y'all with this, huh? Ugh. Yeah, so we're doing this here this morning. You know, this I gotta pull this off. But look at that here. Anyway, here it goes up underneath that there, and there's all kinds of crazy looking who's a what's a Harris things you can hold. But that's what it sounds like. That's what it looks like at least too. But hope everybody's having a great day, and I figured bring y'all along here. Just out here farting around. It's all. Hmm. Sorry for all the shaking I'm doing with one hand. Trying to hold on to this so it don't go bloop, 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 bloop. Oof. And then it on the toe pad. Ooh, that thing hurt. Yeah, no, we wouldn't want that to happen today. Nope, nope, nope. I'll hold the camera a little bit for you out here. Apologize for that. It's also like 20 some degrees out there too. Never out here most this morning, farting around with this thing. Hey, that's our friend again. That's our friend. Look, he disappears again. Then yeah, see. Yeah, I'm having too much fun with this guy, so I just figured, I'd make another random video of this here since this is too much fun. Well, for me at least.